Hello everyone. In the process of salvaging this LG washer, I thought that I would show you how I removed the rotor and the stator. Basically, after removing the back panel, you have access to the rotor and the stator. Using an impact driver, my tool of choice, I removed the single bolt in the middle, and then I was able to remove the rotor with firm force because the magnet was holding it back. Next, I removed these 6 bolts. Then I removed a screw that secures the ground wire. This is the ground wire securing the screw. Then I pulled the stator out. Then I unplugged the electrical wires. And there goes the motor stator. This thing cost $238.95 on LG's website. Oh, by the way, this is the Hall sensor. And that's all I have for you. And as always, have a wonderful day, everyone.